Hello and welcome to Red Risks. In this short presentation, I'm going to cover risk assessments and share with you a step-by-step guide on how to do risk assessments. Let's dive in. And if you're new to the channel, of course, please subscribe and I can keep you updated of new videos when they're being posted. So let's look at the importance of risk assessments. Risk assessments are really essential for safeguarding organizations against threats while unlocking opportunities for growth. They empower informed decision making by providing data for strategic planning and resource allocation. By ensuring legal compliance, organizations meet regulatory standards and avoid penalties. Risk assessments also offer financial protection, helping prevent costly incidents and ensuring long-term stability. They can also support with reputation management, demonstrating responsibility and enhancing trust amongst stakeholders. Together, these benefits build resilience and position organizations to thrive in complex environments. The risk assessment process is a structured journey that ensures thorough evaluation and management of all potential threats. It starts first with the identification, uncovering potential risks across the organization. When we look at risk analysis, it really follows a process where we're assessing the likelihood and impact of each risk. Next is risk evaluation, where these risks are prioritized based on their significance. In risk treatment, we address these risks through strategies like mitigation or acceptance based upon specific criteria. And finally, monitoring and reviewing will allow us to ensure the process stays effective and adaptable to change. Together, these 5 steps are fundamental and create a dynamic and proactive risk management framework. Effective risk identification lays the foundation for a successful risk assessment process. It blends creativity, analytical thinking, and collaboration to uncover potential threats. Techniques like brainstorming sessions encourage diverse perspectives, while SWOT analysis will help identify internal and external risks. A historical data review provides valuable insights from past incidents, and expert interviews bring specialized knowledge to the table. Well, these methods will allow a comprehensive and proactive approach to identifying risks. Risk analysis is a crucial step in understanding identified risks and their potential impacts. Qualitative analysis uses tools like risk matrices to assess risks when data is limited. Now, quantitative analysis provides precision with methods like Monte Carlo simulations, ideal for complex financial risks. Of course, we have semi-quantitative analysis. This bridges the gap by assigning numerical values to descriptive scales, combining the strengths of both approaches. By tailoring the method to the situation, organizations gain a well-rounded view of their risk landscape. Risk evaluation and prioritization focuses attention on the most critical threats. By comparing risks against organizational criteria, this step determines which required action and sets the priority. High-risk items demand immediate action, while medium risks need a plan. Low and very low risks can be monitored or accepted. Prioritization ensures resources are used effectively, aligning risk management with organizational goals and the risk appetite. Risk treatment is all about choosing the right strategy to manage the identified risks. Risk avoidance eliminates the risks by stopping the activity causing them. It's suitable for high-impact threats. Risk reduction focuses on minimizing the likelihood of the impact, often through controls or training. Risk transfer shifts the risk to a third party, such as through insurance or outsourcing. Finally, risk acceptance. This involves acknowledging the risk without action. It's best for low-impact risks where treatment isn't cost-effective. These strategies ensure risks are managed effectively based on their nature and organizational priorities. Risk assessment, of course, comes with its challenges, but recognizing them helps in overcoming obstacles effectively. Data limitations can hinder analysis due to incomplete or outdated information, requiring diverse data sources and expert input. There are, of course, cognitive biases like overconfidence and anchoring can impact judgment, which structured decision making and diverse perspectives can mitigate. Complexity and interdependencies make it harder to address interconnected risks, but tools like scenario planning and systems thinking can help. Finally, resource constraints demand prioritization and integration of risk processes to maximize their efficiency. Addressing these challenges ensures meaningful and accurate assessments. Effective risk assessments rely on the right tools and techniques. Risk matrices provide a simple way to categorize and prioritize risks based on likelihood and impact. BTA or bow tie analysis offers a visual approach to understanding the causes, controls, and consequences of risks. It's ideal for complex scenarios. Monte Carlo simulation uses advanced modeling to handle uncertainties and multiple variables in risk evaluation. And risk management software streamlines the entire assessment process, offering real-time data collaboration and reporting capabilities. Choosing the right mix ensures assessments are thorough, efficient, and actionable. Real-world case studies highlight the practical impact of risk assessment. In the technology sector, a company addressed cybersecurity threats by revamping its processes with continuous monitoring and adaptive strategies. In the financial sector, a global bank used scenario analysis and stress testing to navigate regulatory changes. Meanwhile, in the manufacturing sector, a supply chain disruption was mitigated through comprehensive risk assessments and contingency planning. Some examples here, but these examples show how proactive risk management drives resilience and success across industries. The future of risk assessment is driven by emerging technologies. Artificial intelligence and machine learning bring real-time monitoring and predictive analytics, uncovering patterns traditional methods might even miss. Big data analytics allows deeper insights by leveraging diverse data sources and advanced tools. The Internet of Things integration will provide real-time risk data, enhancing operational, environmental, and supply chain monitoring. And lastly, blockchain technology will ensure secure and transparent risk management, improving data integrity and collaboration. These innovations will transform risk assessment into a dynamic and proactive process. Implementing effective risk assessments really starts with establishing clear objectives and scope, ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Leadership support and involvement is vital for fostering a risk-aware culture and securing resources. Using a structured and consistent approach will ensure that risks are identified, analyzed, and evaluated uniformly across the organization. Finally, integrating risk assessments with business processes will embed risk management into everyday decision making, transforming it from a compliance task into a strategic enabler of growth and resilience. Continuous improvement is, of course, essential for keeping risk assessments effective and relevant. Begin first with a review, regularly evaluating processes and outcomes. Next, let's learn by analyzing past assessments and best practices. Use these insights to innovate, exploring new methodologies and technologies to enhance capabilities. Implement what we've learned. Implement these improvements into the risk framework, ensuring they align with organizational objectives. And finally, monitor their impact and gather feedback for further refinement for continuous improvement. This cycle ensures organizations adapt quickly, stay resilient, and proactively address emerging risks. In conclusion, risk assessment isn't just about avoiding negatives, it's a tool for empowering informed decision making and seizing opportunities. It drives proactive decision making, helping organizations anticipate challenges. By building enhanced resilience, organizations are better prepared to face unexpected events. Competitive advantage emerges when risks are managed effectively, turning uncertainty into opportunity. And finally, continuous improvement ensures that risk management evolves alongside the organization, fostering long-term excellence. Together, these principles will enable sustainable growth and success in an ever-changing and complicated environment. If you're new to the channel, of course, please subscribe and I can update you with videos as I upload them. But if you've been here before, of course, I welcome your thoughts and comments, as of course all newcomers. It's always good to have continuous improvement when it comes to creating these videos. Thank you. Catch you on the next one.